This air fryer really was the best decision I ever made. First of all, we have got a small countertop right here, so we couldn't really get one of those huge air fryers that you see that people get with the pull-out drawers. Secondly, I didn't really want stuff that took up a lot of space, so I love that this is a toaster oven and an air fryer combo. If you see right here, it has a lot of options too. Toast, bake, bagel, you can do literally everything. You can even dehydrate, which is really cool. You see a lot of people doing that with candy. We tried that, it works amazing. I love this one, it's so easy to use. You can see you just literally can switch the settings right here. There's a light that can turn on. You can see we've got chicken in here right now. This was frozen chicken. I just stuck right in with a little bit of seasoning. This plate right here on the bottom catches everything. It comes right out and is so easy to wash at the end when you're done. All in all, I absolutely love this air fryer and I highly recommend it. It is going to change the game for your cooking.